Nu ir ganėtinai daug tų vaikų, žiūriu, kad gal ir sergančių neturime, ne?
Šiek tiek visada matom tokių pasikeičiančių vieni, ir mes serga kiti, bet tu kažkaip vat galbūt ta mažoji bendruomenė sąlygoja tai, kad nebūna tokių labai didelių, sakykim, tai tos visos, kad nesijaučia tiek gyvai, kažkokie būna užsidarymai ir panašiai. Paskui mes to išvengiam kažkaip. Gal kad bendras mūsų imunitetas geresnis. Šiek tiek, bet kaip ir visiems turbūt ta matematika. Buvo tikrai ypatingai tie vaikai, kurie tą dalyko pasirinkimas labai.
Labai gerai, kad tos klasės labai nedidelės.
Nedidelės, tiesiog viskas labai paprasta, jokių kažkokių ten didelių, žinot, kai būna tas sako vaiką dėmesys, ten kažkas labai čia viskas labai paprasta. Šviesu, tiesiog.
Natūralu šviesu, netgi kilimas prie
Taip,
So the furniture is, as you see, environmentally friendly.
Okay.
So we are close to nature,
Yes.
so we care about it, so everything is related to nature.
Okay.
So as yours, and she would like to know, is it true that in your country, so students at schools, do you do a lot of work, like cleaning, just tidying everything after themselves, helping the staff to do some things? Is it true?
Yeah, it's true. It's true. So I have to they are responsible to clean everything, including toilets, everywhere, the campus.
They have to do this.
They have to do it. Probably for the first time when they were right in school, they have to clean up first. Then before they leave the school, they have to clean up again. Then they are doing lunch. They have to
Clean the
share.
tables?
Yeah, then have to help to clean their own dishes.
Dishes, so wash up the dishes.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really nice.
Yeah, you're welcome to visit Taiwan. I can show you to visit some schools.
Okay, thank you.
That's a good thing.
Yeah, and also there's always a competition between different class. Okay, whose area is more cleaner than that one? The teacher will just.
They are happy to help. They are happy to do some things. So.
No, they have evaluate everyone is for example this class is responsible for this area, but this
Okay.
that is
So each class has a special area.
yeah, that's right. So they will compare and then give some reward. Okay, you are doing the best this week. So
It's great. That's an experience when during the lunch break. So when we are having lunch, so students are responsible for taking their dishes out of the tables to clean the tables. So we have such an experience, but it's I think it's too little comparing to yours.
Fajna słanie.
Lots of games, and so the actual graded for all the students. Maybe parents think that it's a safe school for boys, especially for teenagers. I think.
okay,
So then they choose this school because of that.
okay.
Maybe safety. We have a canteen.
Tea, coffee? Would you like
Coffee, please.
coffee? Okay.
But they don't come all the different hours, so they know the time when it comes, so we have 45 minutes lunch break, and then so they start from the first graders, and so the last ones are the 12th graders. It's enough time to have lunch for all of them.
So for the first grade and second grade, do they study whole day or just half day?
No, all students study all day, from 9 in the morning till 4 p.m. So lots of clubs for them to choose, lots of activities like dancing, sport, singing, pottery, even pottery, or some arts and crafts, music. They can choose.
And can you shortly explain about environment, because some animals around possible?
Okay. So as you can see, our school is close to nature. So we are surrounded by lots of trees. So there is the lake near. So usually when the weather is very good in spring or in autumn, so we can have lessons on the shore, even near the lake, sitting on the grass. And so there are lots of trees, there are some animals, lots of spaces to have lessons outside, so lots of outside classes, and so we take students out usually when the weather is good. Not as today, but you know that sometimes in winter also we have lessons outside. So it depends on students' wishes, and so sometimes we decide. So fresh air, so lots of so during the lunch break, many students go out to play, even primary students, so they go to play, and just to walk, to run outside. Okay, so our students like activities, especially outside.
Who is the founder?
So, I think that the headmistress, so we could ask her, I think, but as far as I know, so the land where the school is built, so belongs to headmistress family. So and they decided to build such a building like a school. So they are owners of the land, so their family, and so they are founders of the school.
Now they have some sell Ruta in Taiwan. It's department store.
Please sit. Taip, pradėjom dirbti prieš 5 metus. Pradėjom, aišku, nuo mažesnio skaičiaus vaikučių. Pirmais metais, jeigu teisingai atsimenu, tai buvo apie 50. Taip. Priėmimą vykdėm pirmais metais nuo 1 klasės iki 8.
Taip,
8 klasės.
Vyriausiai buvo 8.
Nes pagalvojom, kad liktų porą metų pasiruošti iki 10 klasės ir paskui, aišku, iki 12 klasės. Na tai va, tai taip pradėjome.
So the headmistress mentioned that the school was opened 5 years ago.
Okay.
So you see we are quite young.
Okay.
And so we started with 50 students only,
Okay.
from the 1st to the 8th grade. So and now, as you can see, so we are growing. So more and more students.
Okay, it's good.
Pernai išleidom pirmą 12 laidą. Nedidelė, nedaug buvo tų mokinukų, bet labai sėkmingai džiaugiamės už juos.
So last year our first 12 graders left school, so there were only 2 of them. A very small class was so they passed the exam successfully, so and we are very glad for them.
Ką dar dabar, jeigu kalbant apie mokyklos steigimą, Tai mūsų pagrindiniai elementai, mūsų ugdymo sistema susideda iš, sakykime, 3 galbūt pagrindinių tokių dalykų. Pirma, tai yra skandinaviškas modelis ir iš Suomijos ypatingai daug paimta elementų. Antra yra Azijos, daugiausia iš Honkongo rėmėmės. Ir trečia, kuo matėm prasminga remtis, tai buvo Izraelio mokymo sistema. Tai va, iš 3 tokių elementų mes sudėliojom savo ugdymo sistemą.
So before opening the school, so about choosing the system which could be the best for this school, so the headmistress mentioned that she had 3 experiences. So one was taken from Scandinavia about its education, then from Asia, Hong Kong, and then Israel. So these systems, or maybe some good things from those systems, were included in our school educational system.
And I have a lot of questions, obviously, as usual. For example, we already understood that who is founder of the school?
I am one of them.
One of.
Yes. Also is one man and one young woman. We are 3 co-founders.
Obviously, it means private.
Yes.
Institution,
Yes.
private
Yes.
school.
Yes.
But as you mentioned, based on examples, Israel, Hong Kong, and other countries, but on the other hand, you need to follow European rules, let's say,
Of course.
general programs, etc., etc.
Of course. Taip, mes iš tikrųjų norim to ar nenorim, esame vis tiek pririšti prie Lietuvos ugdymo sistemos, ar ne? Kodėl pririšti? Todėl, kad vis tiek turim atsakomybę vaikus paruošti, ar ne, ateinančiam, jų laukiančiam norim, ar ne, etapams, tai yra 10 klasės, pirminiam tam, sakykime, patikrinimui žinių ir, aišku, 12 klasė laukia. Tai todėl mes pabėgti ir kažkaip labai visko perversti negalim, bet mes tiesiog integruojam, sakykime taip, labiausiai, kas pas mus skiriasi, tai skiriasi tas toksai, kad žiūrim į vaiką kaip į asmenybę ir taikom visuminį ugdymą, ne tik akademinį. Tai va toks labai svarbus niuansas. Na ir kitas dalykas, ne pačios žinios, bet jų pateikimas. Ir ar ne pati programa, bet tos programos dėstymo metodai. Tai va kas pas mus kitaip negu valstybinėse mokyklose.
Okay, so the headmistress mentioned that we should follow the rules of our educational system as well, because we are a part of it. Also, we can choose and try some experiences from other countries, but not as much as we could or as we wished.
Okay.
So we prepare students for their future careers, for their future education, and also the most important thing is not what knowledge they get, but the way they get knowledge, how they get the knowledge. So it's very important that they have some values which are very important in our life, and not only knowledge they must get, but so how they get the knowledge, communicating, respecting each other, just thinking about each other as an equals, and treating each other, behaving in a good way. So it's very important for our school, not only knowledge.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Yeah, but in Taiwan, we still have some experimental schools because every school have to follow the national standard. Okay, but if you choose to have some experimental school, there's a law that allow that you can set up your own curriculum and your system in addition to the national standard. But on the you have to apply first. So if the government evaluates it's okay, your curriculum, your system is good, so that's okay. But this is in Taiwan.
Lygiai taip pat turbūt yra bendra šalies programa, ugdymo programa, kurios tiesiog reikia laikytis ir kuri yra kaip standartas, tiesiog kad atitiktų tam tikrus reikalavimus, mokyklos turi vis tiek vykdyti tą programą. Aš taip supratau.
Nors yra ir tų vadinamų, ir kaip pas mus, sakykime, privačios ten eksperimentinio, taip supratau.
Tai galima tiesiog galbūt kažką tokio pasikeitimais kažkokiais, ar ne, per sistemą. Tai truputėlį kitokį, bet vis tiek esmė yra tie standartai.
Nuo jų nepabėgsim.
Visam pasaulyje yra jie.
Taip, iš tikrųjų taip. Ir šiaip mes dar kaip visuomenė, sakykime, svarstam variantą galbūt vaikų nevertinti pažymiais. Ar ne? Na, galbūt įsivesti kažkokią visiškai savitą vertinimo sistemą, galbūt kažkokius pasiekimų aplankus, galbūt kažkaip kitaip pateikti informaciją. Bet esam pažymio visuomenė ir tėveliai dėja dar to, nelabai suprastų, nelabai priimtų, jie supranta tiesiog tradicinį tą vertinimą, pažymių sistemą. Taip, tai irgi likom dar kol kas prie tos 10-balės.
O tėvai įtraukiami į tą ugdymo procesą?
Taip, iš tikrųjų visada, kadangi nedidelė ta bendruomenė, tai ypatingai pradžioj, kol viską gryninom, tai labai dažnai būdavo, kad tėveliai ir patys pateikia pasiūlymų, ir mes kreipiamės, apklausas dienynuose darom kiekvienais mokslo metais, kas netenkina, kas tenkina, kas gerai, ką galbūt reikėtų tobulinti. Tai be abejo visada atsižvelgia.
Tikrai asmeniniai pokalbiai metiniai būna
Taip pat, taip. 2 kartus per metus iš tikrųjų, taip.
Tai su vaiku kartu pasitinkam tas bendravimo.
Taip.
So she mentioned that parents also are included in our educational process and in the work we do at school. So they can take part in discussions, so take part in different surveys when we ask about something and they give their opinions and suggestions. Also they can come to school and have a meeting with a teacher and any teacher they would like to just discuss about the progress of their children. And speaking about evaluation system, we have marks. So the headmistress maybe wanted to have some other options speaking about evaluation, but still, so we should follow our national standards, and so marks are essential part of evaluation. So from 1 to 10.
So do the student have to pay a higher tuition than this school?
So could you repeat?
The tuition is this.
So no, the tuition is the same, I think. Vienodas mokestis yra visiems.
Taip.
So it's the same. So starting from the first graders to the 12th graders.
So the school can cover the expense based on the standard tuition?
No, mokykla pati nusprendžia dėl mokesčio.
Taip, steiginis sprendžia.
So the school itself decides on the size of tuition, so how much to pay. So the school decides. Yes. So the school decides, and maybe the tuition could be. So I think that jinai truputį didėja mokestis, ne šiek tiek, ar ne?
Mokestis, ta prasme, koks buvo pradžioje ir tai dėl kainų pokyčių, taip, šiek tiek, minimaliai.
But so the tuition is not as big as in other private schools in Lithuania.
Oh, okay.
So parents can afford.
Okay.
So I think it's quite a reasonable price for student studies.
Is it a secret?
Ne, mes kalbėjom kaip tik su viešne, kad pas mus yra 200 eurų mokestis, ugdymo, visų būrelių, konsultacijų ir panašiai. Dar kas prie to prisideda, tai yra pavežimas ir maitinimas, tai 300 su virš jau yra su visų.
Mėnesį. Around 300 euros per month.
300. Okay.
So, which includes studying, transportation, and meals.
Okay.
So it's not a big price, we think.
So if you provide transportation, the transportation, so students will need close areas.
Yes. So they are brought to school from the city, from some nearby regions and villages and small towns. So they are brought to school by bus.
And one more question. How do you recruit students? How do you collect them to be here, to study here?
Iš tikrųjų, tai pradžioj taip, mes šiek tiek bandėm reklamuotis pačiais pirmais metais, tik tai to reikėjo. Nuo antrų metų mes visiškai nebenaudojam jokių reklamos priemonių. Tiesiog žodinė reklama iš lūpų į lūpas pati geriausia, pati efektyviausia ir tai rodo, kad tėvelių, kolegų atsiliepimai yra geri, nes
Taip kaip ir mūsų vizitas.
Taip kaip ir jūsų vizitas, taip.
Ir norim pareklamuoti, kad paragintumėt savo mokinius stoti į Šiaulių akademiją.
Būtinai. Tikrai taip. Tikrai taip.
Galim pasirašyti, man atrodo, nėra sutarties dar.
Ne, neturim sutarties, tai va irgi. Labai, tikrai taip.
Taip, labai gerai. Jiems arti visiems.
Taip.
Ir sąlygos labai geros, renovuotos patalpos ir bendrabučiai. Nedidelė akademija, tai panašiai jausis kaip ir
Taip.
čia besimokyti.
Tikrai taip. Nu, labai šaunu, būtinai.
Daug studijų programų tikrai esate pristatę, jūs buvote atvykę pas mus. Tikrai kviečiam.
Ačiū. Būtinai. Mes turim karjeros specialistę. Tikrai dar priminsim 12-tokam. Taip, vieni kitus turim palaikyti.
Aš kalbėjau vaikai apie tai, kad
Jiem patiko labai. Tikrai, kai pas jūs pasisvečiavo, tai tikrai.
Okay, so our school doesn't need any advertising. So it is good enough to attract students, I think, and so we get more and more students who want to study here because of good comments, good feedback. So they give and they give to each other. So they share their experiences, and so this helps us to attract more students. So we don't advertise.
Okay.
Just from person to person.
Is there any special course or some, for example, in Taiwan, so some private schools, some emphasize they have very good art curriculum. Some schools are good as technology curriculum, and some are really religious some curriculum. So there's different private schools emphasize what is different with other schools. How about do you need some curriculum or some special activity?
Gamtos mokslo.
Tai mes ir Lietuvoje turime tokių mokyklų, kurios specializuojasi labiau galbūt į inžineriją, kaip gimnazija.
Taip. O mes, kadangi gamta įpareigoja, tai sveikatingumas ir gamtamokslis ugdymas. Mūsų irgi yra ta kryptis, sakykime.
So in Lithuania also there are some schools which specializes in some subjects more than the others. But so our school is unique because we teach all the subjects, but in relation to nature and
nature.
science.
Okay, which is science. Okay.
As last year we visited one school in Taiwan, in Lantan city, and the school fully immersed in astronomy education, from kindergarten, let's say, level, and everybody. It's orientation to astronomical education.
So, and in our school, so the youngest, so starting from the youngest classes, so students go outside doing some kind of experiments in the nature and just exploring the area, the animals, everything they can. So just in relation to nature. Not only in the classroom, just with a book and a pencil, but still outside doing some experiments, and so to get some knowledge from a real life, real surroundings and environment.
Okay, time is running quite fast, and based on my role as somehow moderator, I want to finalize our discussion, short communication, and it was really nice. Thank you very much for all team, very nice team. Holy Trinity, I would say. It's really good, and it was really a pleasure to visit shortly this school. Possible in the future also we will find some possibilities to visit you, and I hope that colleague Wang also delivers some information, some knowledge about this lyceum to Taiwan, and yeah, with some presentation and promotions at some extent. Yeah, it would be good.
I like to kind of find my business card. Maybe I can. Actually, I have some grants. So I send my student to overseas for internship for teaching. So my students are pre-service teachers. Okay, so I have some grants sending out for internship for 1 semester, and also I have some grant to take students and teachers, okay, to come work with me. I will give them not much, $500 a month, up to 6 months. So these teachers and students can work with me probably at schools, so we can exchange ideas. So maybe if in the future I can send my student to teach here for 1 semester.
Yeah.
So also your teacher are welcome to visit our business, so I can support some of the fees. I'll try to give you the.
Really good idea, yeah.
And for headmaster to be correct and to write correctly, саможичен P.
Ačiū labai, ačiū labai. Thank you very much. You are welcome always.